Alrighty, now it's my special fried Hokkien Mee, and look at this. Okay, tikman natin, and let's try. So yummy. Hokkien Mee is a famous Southeast Asian dish, and there are three famous different types of Hokkien Mee that you can try in Singapore, in Malaysia, and in Hong Kong and in other parts of Asia. Yan. Dito sa Singapore, ito, sobrang sarap. Welcome to my channel! Today, may bago akong papakita sa inyo. Something new, something old, and something new. Alright, did you miss this? Did you miss me wearing this apron? Did you miss this kitchen? Alright, today, I'll be showing you how to cook Hokkien Mee. Yan, fried Hokkien Mee. Yan, very special. And I've learned this menu when I moved here. And this becomes our one of my favorite dish. Come and join me as I show you step by step on how to cook special fried Hokkien Mee. Come! Special shout out to my friend, a good friend, my mentor, Agnes, or Unforgettable, ang kanyang YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me and for guiding me in this journey. Thank you so much. And Agnes, Unforgettable, please support and please subscribe to her channel. Alright? And of course, my mentor also, Waray channel. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and of course, my wife, Jo, thank you so much for supporting me and for believing in me in this journey. Alright? And to all of you who have been my greatest fun and my inspiration, thank you so much for supporting me. Shout out to all my subscribers. Please keep on supporting me. Alright? Okay, and here are the ingredients para sa ating fried Hokkien Mee. Special fried Hokkien Mee, okay? First, ang ating red onion, ating sibuyas, and ating spring onion. I cut it into small pieces na. Right? And of course, we have our shrimp. Ayan, mga ilang pirasong shrimp. Yung ulo niya, pinakuluan ko na dun sa casserole. Ayan, yung ulo niya kailangan kasing gagawing sa sabaw. And aside from this fresh na shrimp, meron din tayong dried shrimp or hibi. Ayan, yan po yung hibi natin. Nilagyan ko na po siya, binabad ko na po siya sa tubig para po hindi po siya masyadong maalat. Alright? And then, we also have the meat, marinated na meat. Ayan. Yung marinated na meat natin, ito gamit ko ay baboy, and this is yung laman ng baboy. Marinated ko siya with toyo, calamansi, and asin. Ayan. Yan po yung meat natin. And then aside from the yung shrimp natin, meron din tayong baby shrimp. Ang tawag dito ay baby shrimp or yung hipon na maliliit. Ayan, as you can see, hipon siya na maliliit. Dried siya kasi ihahalo ko siya sa sabaw. Yung ulo plus this one, magpampalasa din siya ng sabaw. Okay? And then we also need salt, and then yung ating light soy sauce, yung ating fish sauce or yung ating patis, and of course yung ating oyster sauce, and then yung ating pepper, ang ating white pepper, and then yung ating stock. Ang gamit ko dito na stock ay ikan dilis na stock cubes. Ayan, yan po yung gamit ko, Nor. Ayan. And then of course yung oil, and then ang ating 4 pieces of eggs, And then yung ating mee or yung ating noodles, Hokkien Mee or just fresh Mickey sa atin sa Pilipinas. Okay? Yan po ang complete ingredients na ating gagamitin para sa ating fried Hokkien Mee. Okay? Stay tuned and I'll show you kung paano gagawin ang fried Hokkien Mee. Alright! Sa ating pinakuluan na ulo ng hipon, I just add on yung ating baby shrimp. Ayan. Okay? Just leave it like that and then let it come to a boil and then takpan natin and then hayaan lang natin siyang kumulo for few minutes and then yan, we're ready na para umpisahan na natin ang pag stir fry ng ating Hokkien Mee. Alright! Alright! Okay, habang nagpapakulo tayo and while our shrimp stock is still boiling, now we're ready to do the stir frying sa ating other ingredients ng ating Hokkien Mee. Alrighty! Okay, let's start with the oil. Okay, that is just 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, while it's heating up, you just need to add our shrimp that's used for garnishing later. Alright? Until mag-reddish lang ang color ng ating shrimp. Okay? So, cook a bit. Kasi mamaya. Okay? Then, we'll just, tanggalin natin siya sa foil. And then, we just set it aside. Okay. Alright, and look at that. Very nice. Okay, we just set it aside and then we'll start frying our meat and the rest of the ingredients. Alright, then we'll just put on the meat. Okay. First, yung ating marinated na meat. Yung kanyang marinated na sauce ay huwag niyong itapon kasi pwede natin siyang dagdag sa ating panimpla later. Okay? Lean meat kasi ang ginamit ko. But nevertheless, you can replace this with chicken. Yung iba gumagamit nito chicken. And I just cut it into thin strips. Ayan. Sobrang thin, manipis na strips. Yung to this is pagka ganyan na, medyo half cook ng inyong meat, halfway through, ay half cook ng inyong meat. Ayan, if you can see it. Okay. Half cook ng meat ninyo, you can add your onion, your red onion. Okay. Red onion at saka yung ulo ng spring onion. Okay. Right? Okay. Just give it a stir. And then we just leave it until yung aroma ng ating red onion ay lalabas. Okay? We leave it for a few minutes or seconds. Yeah. Okay. Yung green ng ulo ng ating spring onion, we'll just use it as a garnish mamaya when we are done. Okay? Then you just set it aside. Smells good. Right, just give it a stir a bit. And look at that. Looks nice. Okay? Next, we'll just add on our dried shrimp or yung hibi natin. Okay? We'll just drain it. Tanggalin nyo lang yung water and then you just add on. Okay, that is about I put in about 1.5 tablespoons of dried shrimp. Okay, ang gagawin ko ay that's 500 grams of or half kilo of Hokkien Mee, yung ating noodles. Okay. Just make sure na yung ating hibi or yung ating dried shrimp ay maluto siya. So, we just leave it for a while. and then leave it until it will cook a bit, so it becomes like reddish thing. And then avoid natin yung hindi luto na dried shrimp kasi matagal siyang nakastore sa plastic, so we just leave it until it cooked a bit. Alright? Then while waiting na maluto siya, then you can just beat your egg. Okay? Because next to that is yung ating egg. Okay? Check. Actually, preparation time for Hokkien Mee won't take you long. It will be like about 20 to 30 minutes. It depends kung gaano kadami yung lulutuin niyo. Okay? Right. And look at that. Okay. Looks perfect. And good. Alrighty. Okay. Next is we just add on our egg. Okay. Alrighty, that's around 4 pieces of eggs. Okay, beaten 4 pieces of eggs. Okay, let it cook. Huwag nating hayaan na maging sarsyado siya. Let it cook a bit. Add on our salt. Okay, since salted yung ating shrimp, we just add a bit. Okay, portion by portion. We can add also our white pepper. Okay, just give it a stir. Okay, and then at this point we just add on our stock. Add on our stock. Yan po ang itsura ng ating shrimp stock. Yung pinakuluan natin ng ulo ng hipon. Okay, we just add on a bit. Ako kasi pag nag-Hokkien Mee ako, gusto ko medyo ano siya, medyo masos, meaning to say hindi siya sobrang dry. Okay, so you just add more of the stock. Okay, that looks good. Alright, and then I just add on yung marinated na sauce kanina. Okay, add on our light soy sauce. Okay, then we just add on our oyster sauce. Lahat. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Yung ikan Dilis na stock, yung cubes, or any seasoning na pwedeng meron kayo dyan, you can just add on. Our fish sauce. Look at that. Looks yummy. Okay, then we just add on our Hokkien Mee noodle, or yung ating Mickey sa atin. Okay. We just stir it. Yung shrimp stock. Kasi mas masarap siya na medyo masos or medyo malambot yung ating Hokkien Mee. Okay? And then we just leave it for a few minutes and then tikman natin and then we're ready to serve. We're ready to go. We'll just garnish it. Normally, dito naglalagay sila ng pork lard or yung chicharon. Naglalagay sila dito sa gilid. And then together with the shrimp, and then garnish with the spring onion, and that's it. And that's our fried Hokkien Mee. Okay, We'll leave it for a few minutes and then let's check. And now let's check our Hokkien Mee after a few minutes. Ayan, ganyan na pong itsura niya. And look at that. Ayan. Sobrang bango. And, smells so good. And let's check if it's really yummy. Okay? Let's check on what happened. Okay. Sobrang sarap. Garnish it and then it's ready to serve. Alrighty. Our special fried Hokkien Mee by Kuya Pandisoy. Alrighty. Now it's my special fried Hokkien Mee and look at this. Okay. Tikman natin. And let's try. So yummy. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you get something and learn something out from that video guide. And please do not forget to comment, like, and share. And for those of you na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and please click the bell button for the notifications for the upcoming videos. Alright, I'll see you again next time. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Again, thank you so much guys for watching and for staying with me. And I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. Again, this is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and I'll see you again next time. See ya! Bye! Bye! Bye-bye!